A very refreshing morning, everyone. Let's start today's lecture with a wonderful quote. A great thinker was asked, "What is the meaning of life?" He replied, "Life itself has no meaning. It's an opportunity to create a meaning." Okay, so short stories are also going on. You have to understand the meaning of life carefully. It is an opportunity to create a meaning. So let's create opportunity by yourself. Now, today we are going to discuss the MCQ question answers of birth chapter, and here is the first question in front of you. Birth of Susan's child was a turning point in Dr. Andrew's life. Okay, do you agree? Absolutely not at all, partially, not clear from the story. Absolutely, it was a turning point in doctor's life. Okay, because Dr. Andrew had recently completed his medical practice, so it was a turning point in his life. Next question is here, why did Andrew get oblivious to all the work he had done in Blaney? Okay, so because he got all hopeless, because he did something extraordinary that night, because he was living blindly, because he got tired. Obviously B is the correct answer, because he did something extraordinary that night to rescue the stillborn child. Next question is here, what does the author refer to as a miracle? Okay, author refer to as a miracle. Life getting into stillborn, Morgan family welcoming a child, Susan getting consciousness, none of the above. Okay, what is considered a miracle there? Life getting into the stillborn. Okay, next question is here, why did the child become slippery in Andrew's hand? Because of atmosphere in the room, because Andrew was losing his focus, because of constant juggling between waters, and none of the above. When the child was born lifeless, at that time the Dr. Andrew Manson, he reminded one of the incident that had been there in Samartin. Okay, he asked for hot and cold waters, and that's why he started juggling between waters, and that's why the child became slippery in Andrew's hand. So C option is the correct answer. Next is here, after trying for 15 minutes, Andrew felt accomplished, hopeful, hopeless, and confident. Okay, after the procedure of rescuing the child, Andrew felt hopeless. So C option is the correct answer. Next question is here, what all things did Andrew use in treatment? Hot and cold water, basins and towels, a blanket, and all of the above. All of the above things are used by Andrew. Okay, hot and cold water, basins and towels, a blanket. So D option is the correct answer. Next question is here, what did Andrew conclude from the whiteness of the child? That he was dead, he suffered from lack of oxygen, that he should be taken to the hospital, that Andrew could not save him. Okay, so he suffered from lack of oxygen. That's why Andrew concluded from the whiteness of the child that he suffered from lack of oxygen. B option is the correct option. Next is here, in the dilemma he faced, what did Andrew do? Okay, because he was confused whom to save first. Check upon Susan first, check upon the child first. Ran away, he left it handle to the midwife. Okay, he did not leave the house, he did not run away from the house. Okay, and first he decided to check Susan, okay, Morgan's wife, Joe Morgan's wife. So A option is the correct answer. Next question is here, how was the newborn child? Healthy, lifeless, underweight, and anemic. Okay, anemic was not there, underweight was not there, healthy was not there, and that's why B option is the correct answer. Andrew decided to dash at Joe's house. Okay, sleep, study, stay, or eat. Joe Morgan's wife's mother, okay, Mrs. Morgan's mother, she was thinking that doctor would leave the case very soon. Okay, but doctor assured her that he would not be leaving the house. So Andrew decided to stay at Joe's house. Next question is here, when Andrew approached, Susan was accompanied by her mother and dash. Joe, father, a midwife, and mother-in-law. So when doctor approached there in the house, Susan was accompanied by her mother and a midwife. Okay, so this is it with today's lecture, beta. Okay, you have to practice these question answers carefully. Thank you.